Anyone can use video marketing successfully. If you want to be successful, you just have to know how to go about it. You can use the tips presented here to use video marketing to the best advantage for your business. Getting either professional equipment or personnel might seem like the best route to take, but such arrangements can take time. Capture the energy and essence of an idea while it is fresh. Even an amateur video with authenticity can outshine something expertly polished. Editing is always essential to creating a quality video. While filming your video, do not hesitate to cut or do multiple takes. Upload your video files to your computer and use a quality editing software to put segments together. Get rid of unnecessary scenes and perhaps add some captions or some music. To add another dimension into your video marketing campaign, include your company's logo. This can easily be accomplished by inserting a clip art image of your company's logo directly into your video. The most common placement for the image is either at the bottom of the screen or in the upper corner of the video. If you're selling a product, create a video which tells your customers how to use the product. You can start with unboxing, run through how to put it together, and then show them how they can use it. This will make them appreciate how much you respect your customers. If you have a lot of colleagues or employees, recruit them for help when you are trying to market with video. Use someone who can handle being in a video. Make sure that they have a friendly demeanor, dress properly, and talk in a clear tone. If you can, use more than one colleague. Just focus on getting the message across in a clear and concise manner. Why not incorporate this software in your video marketing arsenal? Try it for 7 days free with full features. Visit the link in the description. Thank you.